What if fear wasn't the enemy, but a signal? A signal that something big is waiting on the other side. Why do we freeze when we want to move forward the most? Fear often blocks us from reaching our true potential. But the truth is, fear isn't here to stop you. It's here to guide you. In this video, we're going to break down exactly how to overcome fear and take bold, powerful action. So, without further ado, let's begin. Step 1. Understand what fear really is. Fear is a natural emotion. It's your brain's way of trying to keep you safe. Back in the day, fear protected us from wild animals or dangerous situations. But in today's world, fear shows up in new ways, like fear of failure, fear of rejection, or fear of not being good enough. Here's the truth. Most of the fears we face today are not life-threatening, but our brain reacts to them like they are. That means we need to learn how to recognize fear without letting it control us. Think of fear as a smoke alarm. Sometimes it's warning you of real danger, but other times it's just going off because you burned toast. Step 2. Name your fear out loud. One of the most powerful ways to reduce fear is to name it. Say it out loud. I'm afraid of failing. I'm scared people will laugh at me. I'm worried I won't be good enough. When you say it, it stops hiding in the shadows. You take control. Once you name your fear, you can question it. Ask yourself, is this fear really true? What's the worst that could happen? What will happen if I let this fear stop me? Most of the time, the answers will surprise you. The fear feels big until you shine a light on it. Step 3. Take small, brave steps. You don't have to take giant leaps to be brave. Sometimes the boldest action is just taking one small step forward. Want to start a business? Start by talking to someone who's done it. Want to speak on stage? Practice in front of one friend. Want to make a big change in your life? Take one simple action today. Courage builds with action. The more you move, the more your confidence grows. Don't wait until you feel fearless. Take the step while you're still scared. That's real bravery. Step 4. Remember past wins. Fear has a way of making us forget all the things we've already overcome. But think back. There was a time when you were afraid before, and you still did it. Maybe it was your first day at a new school, your first time trying something new, or a time you stood up for yourself. You did it before. You can do it again. Keep a courage list, a list of moments where you pushed through fear and came out stronger. When you're scared, look at that list. It's your personal proof that you're braver than you think. Step 5. Focus on the outcome, not the obstacle. Fear loves to zoom in on the worst-case scenario. But let's flip that. What if you focused on the best-case scenario instead? Ask yourself, what if it goes better than I expected? What if this changes my life in a good way? What kind of person will I become if I do this? When you focus on the outcome, the fear doesn't disappear, but it shrinks. You start to see why it's worth it to keep going. Step 6. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. There's no such thing as the perfect time to take action. Waiting until you're 100% ready? That time may never come. The truth is, you get ready by starting. Every bold person you admire started before they felt fully prepared. They learned along the way. Don't let fear disguise itself as perfectionism. Bold action is messy. It's not about doing it perfectly. It's about doing it at all. Step 7. Surround yourself with brave people. Fear spreads, but so does courage. If you spend time with people who take risks, chase dreams, and support bold moves, their energy rubs off on you. Look for role models, friends, or even online communities where people are cheering each other on. You're not meant to face fear alone. Find people who remind you of your strength. Step 8. Talk kindly to yourself. What are you telling yourself when you're afraid? If you say things like, I can't do this, I'm not good enough, or I always mess things up, you're feeding the fear. Change the script. Try saying, I'm scared, but I'm doing it anyway. I don't have to be perfect. I just have to try. This is hard, but I've done hard things before. Your words matter. Be your own coach, not your biggest critic. Step 9. Practice facing fear every day. You don't overcome fear once, it's something you practice. Look for little ways to be bold every single day. Say what you mean. Try something new. Take one action that stretches you. These daily choices train your brain to be braver. Over time, fear loses its power. Step 10. Celebrate every brave step. You don't need to wait until the finish line to celebrate. Every time you do something that scares you, even a little, take a moment to notice it. Give yourself credit. Say, "That was bold. I'm proud of me." Celebrating progress keeps you motivated. It reminds you that action, not perfection, is what matters most. Fear doesn't mean stop, it means go. It means you care. It means something big is waiting on the other side. So today, choose courage. Take that one small step. Speak up. Try the thing. Chase the dream. You don't have to be fearless, you just have to be willing. And hey, if this video helped you feel even a little braver, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. We've got more tools, stories, and support coming your way. You're not alone on this journey. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next video.